Apple chutney. Very tasty, simple to prepare. If you have apple which is sour in taste, then do prepare this chutney and you are going to love it. And it's very simple, straightforward, and I have prepared this chutney with green apple. Hello everyone, welcome to Full House Kitchen. To prepare the chutney, here I have 2.5 tablespoons of oil, and into goes our seasoning, which is 1 to 2 bay leaf, 2 to 3 red chili and 1 teaspoon of Panch Foran. Panch Foran is a mix of 5 seeds. If you don't have Panch Foran, you can use cumin seed or mustard seed or combination of cumin and mustard seed both. Let the seasoning cook and then we are going to add our apple. Cut the apple into bite-sized pieces as you will cut to eat. I'm using here green apple, 4 to 5 medium size of green apple, which was very sour in taste. So instead of wasting, I'm going to prepare this chutney. You can use this chutney as a jam, as a side dish, and you can make this chutney with green apple or red apple, any apple which you feel that it is sour in taste and you are not going to eat it. So instead of wasting it, you must try this recipe. So mix the apple nicely with the seasoning, and here I'm also adding half a teaspoon of salt, and we are going to cook the apple with the salt for around 4 to 5 minutes and let the apple cook nicely with the seasoning and salt. After 4 to 5 minutes, we need to add some spices, and here I'm adding very basic spices: 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. So we need to give a nice mix and cover and cook for another minute or two for the spices to cook nicely with the apple. After 1 to 2 minutes, the spices will be nicely cooked with the apple. So at this point we need to add our sweetener. So as a sweetener, here I am using brown sugar, but you can use normal white sugar as well, or you can use jaggery as well. So here I am adding around 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and you can adjust the taste later on as well according to the quantity of apple and how sour it is. You can add the sugar. So just give it a good mix and again cover and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, just stir it well, give it a good mix, and then we are ready to add water. Here I am adding half a cup of water. The water will help the apple to absorb all the spices and sweetness nicely, and it really gives a very nice flavor to the apple because we are adding sweetener, we are adding chili, so it's nice sweet and sour taste of this chutney. And at last we are adding 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri lal mirch for color and 1/4 teaspoon of black salt for added taste. So I hope you are going to try it, and now you are ready. Now your apple chutney is ready. It hardly takes around roughly 10 to 15 minutes, and it's very tasty side dish which you can enjoy with bread, chapati. I hope you are going to give it a try to this apple chutney whenever you have sour apple, and do give it a like if you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.